Are we putting panties on the cat? We are putting panties on a cat. I think those panties are a little too small. He needs to be able to run around with them on. Panties on a cat. Turbo, what are they doing to you? Panties on a cat. What kind of panties are these?
Build-A-Bear.
These are Build-A-Bear panties. These are not kids' panties. These are Build-A-Bear panties.
Put them on backwards. Put them on backwards.
Turbo's tail looks kind of funny.
He's so
Turbo the cat is getting panties put on him. We got his tail through. Turbo. Hi, Turbo. I think we need bigger panties. I think his butt's a little too big. Well, now we need a bit. Don't hurt his legs. Wait. We got panties on the cat. Partially. They're not fully on.
Do you want a chest on him?
We got panties on the cat. What are we doing to this cat? This is a boy cat wearing panties. This is not right. Why are you putting panties on the cat? What? Did he go poopies?
Yes.
Is he going poopies? Turbo, what?
Let him go.
Okay.
I can put a dress on